Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebra equations. So let's see solution from here. We are given square root of a multiplied by square root of a inside square root of a inside square root of a equals 5. So we can apply two different methods to solve this. And let's see method 1. So here, let's try to take the square of both sides. So suppose we take the square of this, and also we take the square of this. So from there, this and this cancelled, and we have only a multiplied by square root of a multiplied by square root of a multiplied by square root of a equals 5 squared. And here again, we have to take another square root of this. So by taking the square of this for the second time, we are going to have a multiplied by square root of a inside square root of a inside square root of a. This equals 5 squared, then raised to the power of 2. And from here, you can see that this a will take squared, and when a takes squared, so multiply by the whole of this one also. So this and this will cancelled, and we have multiply by a square root of a square root of a equals 5. So 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. And from here, we can see that we have a square multiplied by, so here is multiplied by a, then multiplied by square root of a multiplied by square root of a equals 5 raised to the power of 4. And from here, a raised to the power 2 multiplied by a, that is a raised to the power 3, then multiply by square root of a inside square root of a equals 5 raised to the power of 4. And in the next step, we have to take another square of both sides. So by squaring both sides here, then also we take the square of this. So it is believed that this a raised to the power 3 will also take square. So when a raised to the power 3 takes squared, then this and this later cancelled, and we have this as a multiplied by square root of a. This equals 5 raised to the power of, so 4 times 2, that is 8. And by rule of exponent, so this a raised to the power 3, so 3 will multiply 2, and we have a raised to the power of 6 multiplied by, here is multiplied by a, then multiplied by square root of a equals 5 raised to the power of 8. And here we can see that, so we can see that a raised to the power 6 multiplied by a raised to the power 1, so that gives us a raised to the power 7, then multiplied by square root of a equals 5 raised to the power of 8. Then let's take another square root of both sides. By taking the square of both sides again, we have a raised to the power 7 multiplied by square root of a, this raised to the power 2 equals 5 raised to the power 8 all raised to the power of 2. And we have a raised to the power 7, so which we take this square, a raised to the power 7 raised to the power 2 multiplied by, so later this and this will cancelled, then we have multiplied by a equals 5 raised to the power of 8 times 2, we have 16. And from here we have a raised to the power of 7 times 2, that is 14, multiplied by a raised to the power 1 equals 5 raised to the power of 16. And from here we can see that a raised to the power 14 multiplied by a raised to the power 1, that gives us a raised to the power of 15 equals 5 raised to the power of 16. And with this, we have a raised to the power 15 here, and here is 5 raised to the power 16. Suppose we take the 15th root of both sides, so we have a as 15th root of a raised to the power 15 equals 5 raised to the power 16, then 15th root of it. So here and this cancelled, as we have a equals the 15th root of 5 raised to the power of 16. and a is the result to this, and we can simply write this thing as a equals 5 raised to the power of 16 divided by 15. So here is the result that satisfies this problem. And let's see the second method I said we are going to apply to this. So let's see second method to solve this. So from these given questions, we have square root of a inside square root of a inside square root of a inside square root of a equals 5. So this is just like nested root. So the first one here, which is general root, we are going to write it as square root of a, then multiply by. So we have this one which is square root of a, but it is covered with this general root, and also followed by this square root of a. Then it covers how many roots? That is 1, 2. So we are going to put it like that as square root of this. Then multiply by, while the last one is the square root of a, and that one is also covered with 1, 2, 3. So we have the square root of, square root of this equals 5. So from here we have a square root of a. We can write it as a raised to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by. So since this one is 1 over 2 and which this is 2 root, we are going to have it as a raised to the power 1 over 4 multiplied by. So a is 3. We have it as a raised to the power 1 divided by 8, and a is 4 roots. We have it as a raised to the power 1 over 16, and everything equals 5. Then from here, we are going to apply the rule of indices. We have the same base and different powers. So we take one base and we add the powers together. So here we are going to have a raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16 equals 5. And from here, you can see that here is a raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 16. So what is common here as the LCM here is 16. So we have to take 16 and we add this together. So 2 in 16, 8, and 8 times 1, that is 8 plus. So 4 in 16, that is 4 multiplied by 1. We have 4 plus 8 in this. We have 2 plus 1 equals 5. And from here, we can see that a raised to the power of 5 plus 4, 8 plus 4, that is 12 plus 2, that is 14 plus 1, we have 15. Then divided by 16 equals 5. And from here, suppose I raise this one by 16. So this by 16, it means 16 cancels 16, and we have a raised to the power 15 equals 5 raised to the power of 16. Then what we did is we take the 15th root of both sides, 15th root of both sides, and we have a equals 5 raised to the power 16 divided by 15. So we get the same answer when we apply the first method and the second method. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class.